Elf on the Shelf Christmas tradition.
Each winter, Santa sends elves far and near to watch over homes filled with holiday cheer. But this year, he chose, much to everyone's delight, an elf on a mission to help families unite. Her name is Nicole, a full-sized elf queen, the most excited home helper Santa has seen. She's not here for trouble. Well, maybe a little. She's here to find buyers, her heart's in the middle. She starts in the kitchen. Oh my, what a sight. Quartz countertops gleaming, polished just right. A pantry so large, she spins around in glee. Imagine the snacks you could store here, says she. Through the gorgeous open space, she twirls with a hop. So perfect for gatherings, you'll never want to stop. She pictures warm dinners and trees trimmed with light, future Christmases glowing so cozy and bright. Up the beautiful staircase, she bounds in a flash, pausing halfway for a dramatic elf dash. 3 bedrooms, she whispers, now that's room to grow. For dreaming, for playing, for soft winter snow. She checks all 3 bathrooms with sparkly delight. 3, no more morning lineups, your future looks bright. She grins at the camera, adjusting her bow. Imagine the joy this home soon will know. For this little elf isn't just here for fun. She's hoping to welcome the perfect someone. A family who laughs, who celebrates loud, who fills this sweet home with memories proud. She dreams of new stockings hung up with care and twinkling lights shining soft on the stair. She imagines first mornings with cocoa and snow and loves each corner wherever they go. So she hides and she watches and pops up with cheer, because staying still isn't her strong suit, we fear. She tiptoes through hallways, she dances through halls, she whispers to Santa through old North Pole calls. This home is a gift, wrapped shiny and new. Let's find someone special to love it all through. And when Christmas comes with a soft winter night, she'll fly back to Santa in pure elf delight. But before she returns to her sleigh in the sky, she leaves you with a message you simply must try. Book your showing soon. Do not let this one pass. Your happiest holidays could happen at last.